Hey everyone, Tiffany here. Vacuum sealers are so awesome for locking in freshness and preventing freezer burn. Today I'm going to unbox this one from ALACRIS so you can see exactly how it's going to arrive right on your doorstep. They don't waste any space in this box. It comes really nicely packed. Not a spare inch to wiggle around in. And this is it, really streamlined design with your different controls right here that'll show up more once you plug it in with the LED light. Opens really easily. You've got your user manual and a quick troubleshooting guide. It also comes with these vacuum sealing bags. This is your external hose. This is your power cord, and they even give you a replacement gasket, just in case you need to replace this one. The strong section of this is going to make vacuum sealing go super quick. It works with all kinds of things, including meat, vegetables, fruits, nuts, bread, even cookies, you name it. It's a great way to store food and be prepared for future meals. If this review was helpful for you, give it a like and consider subscribing. I do all kinds of reviews right here on this channel. Stay positive, be kind, and I'll see you next time.